Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to receive email notifications from Jotform. This is incredibly useful if you want to stay on top of form submissions as they happen, ensuring you never miss an important response. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account dashboard quickly. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Here, you need to select the existing form you want to set up notifications for. Once you've located it, click on the Edit Form button. This will take you into the Form Builder interface where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the Form Builder, look toward the top of the screen and click on Settings. This area houses all the configuration options for your form, including email notifications, integrations, and other advanced features. In the Settings panel, you'll notice a left sidebar with several options. Click on the blue Emails button. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all email-related notifications and autoresponders tied to your form. Next, click on the button that says Plus Add Email. This opens up a menu where you can choose the type of email notification you want to create. From the options presented, select Notification Email. This is the key feature that will alert you whenever someone submits your form. Now it's important to note that in order to enable notification emails, you must first upgrade your account if you're on the free plan. Since I'm not using the free trial, I'll show you the next steps, assuming you have a paid plan or have already upgraded. Once you're inside the notification email settings, you can customize the subject field if you'd like. By default, it includes the form title and the submitter's name, but feel free to adjust this to better suit your needs. After that, move down to the email content area in the body section. Jotform automatically includes all submission data here, but you can add or remove fields depending on what information you want to receive in the notification. Now click on the Recipients tab at the top. This is where you'll verify or type in your email address in the recipient email field. If you're on a paid plan, you can add multiple recipients so that your entire team stays informed about new submissions. Take a moment to also set the sender name and reply to email if needed. These options typically default to form data or your account information, but you can customize them for clarity. Next, click on the Advanced tab. Here, you need to ensure that the option labeled when a submission is received is checked. This setting is what triggers the notification email to be sent immediately after someone completes and submits your form. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen to activate your notifications. Give it a second to process and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications in Jotform, so now you'll be alerted instantly whenever someone fills out your form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.